जो हमारे पास जो सोफा है 80% दुकानों में वो सोफा नहीं है. If by mistake someone is putting coffee on it like this.
Alright.
Okay, nothing is gonna happen. You just need to wipe it down like this.
Are you serious?
Yes,
मतलब
ma'am.
ये धीरे-धीरे करके जा रहा है पूरा का पूरा.
Exactly. पानी की भी जरूरत नहीं है आपको.
Okay. So it's already coming out.
Yes, it's already coming out, ma'am. Okay.
Lovely.
And you just need to do it like this. The back is very soft as a cloud. And with this also you get 2 puffies absolutely free, 200 kilometers free delivery, and a bean bag absolutely free on the purchase of the sofa. And in a console we have changed it. We have moved it to spring and hydraulic system.
Okay.
Okay. I'll ask the viewers to see anywhere else you won't get this. In this we have used Honne wood, which gives a lifetime warranty. Phone उनको branded चाहिए, पेंट उनको एशियन का चाहिए, फैंस उनको क्रॉम्पटन के चाहिए,
Right.
टीवी उनको एलजी या सोनी का चाहिए. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू सोफा,
Pricing?
दे गो फॉर अ लोकल स्टोर्स.
Correct.
कि जो BMW, फॉर्च्यूनर, मर्सिडीज बेंज पे जो सीट आता है, कार का सीट आता है, सेम सीट हमने इसमें दिया है.
And see how many customers here are here. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. हम लोग बहुत मुश्किल से अभी यहाँ पे वीडियो बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
बट आपके व्यूअर्स के लिए वी विल गिव इट ओनली फॉर 62,000 rupees only. आई एम चैलेंजिंग ऑन द यूट्यूब. दिस टाइप ऑफ फैब्रिक you won't find in any store in Bangalore. See over here how it gets bounced.
Whoa.
Money from your husband's pocket and he doesn't want to know. You can easily clip it over here.
Absolutely रख लो guys.
Just you need to clean it.
Guys, that's just amazing. आप लोग देखिए.
40 to 50 customers every month book online over us.
Super. Assalamualaikum everyone. Hello. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Afreen Fatima and we are back with a brand new video. जो भी लोग अपना ड्रीम सोफा बनाना चाह रहे हैं, this is one of the best showrooms that I know. आप लोगों को डेफिनेटली विजिट करना चाहिए क्योंकि जो ये सोफास की क्वालिटी देते हैं आपको कहीं और बिल्कुल नहीं मिलने वाली है. द रीजन बीइंग काफ़ी पुराना है. इट्स अ कर्ल ऑन ब्रांड एंड ऑल्सो द काइंड ऑफ फैब्रिक्स क्वालिटी इज सुपर अमेजिंग एंड कंपेटिटिव प्राइस है जो आपको कहीं और नहीं मिलेगा. सो आज हम लोग आए हैं हिल्टन फर्नीचर जो कि लोकेटेड है यलहंका मेन रोड एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट ऑफ शेषाद्रीपुरम पीयू कॉलेज. सो चलिए गाइस, सुना है कि बहुत ही अमेजिंग नए डिजाइन आए हुए हैं. लेट्स गो चेक इट आउट. वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए बिकॉज पूरे के पूरे सोफास डिफरेंट रहते हैं एंड प्राइसिंग बहुत ही अमेजिंग है. तो चलिए विदाउट फर्दर ड्यू लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. सो गाइस, आप लोगों को पता ही है कि मुझे हिल्टन फर्नीचर इतना पसंद है कि मुझे मन करते रहता है कि बार बार मैं इसका वीडियोस बनाऊं. द रीजन बीइंग इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फर्नीचर शोरूम्स इन बैंगलोर एंड आप लोग भी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करते हो. तो दैट्स द रीजन वी आर हियर अगेन. ऑलराइट सो गाइस, लेट्स मीट द स्टोर मैनेजर हियर. Hey, hi, how are you
Hello
doing?
ma'am, good ma'am, how are you?
Good, good. Thank you so much. Firstly, for our new viewers जो पहली बार हमसे जुड़े हुए हैं अभी, जो आपका वीडियो देखना चाह रहे हैं, तो उनसे सबसे पहले ये बताइए कि आपका स्टोर का नाम एंड द लोकेशन ऑफ दिस प्लेस प्लीज.
My store name is Hilton Furnitures, located in Yelahanka New Town. It's just 3 kilometers away from Mall of Asia, and the landmark for our store is Sheshadripuram College. It's right opposite to our store.
Right, it's exactly opposite of the Sheshadripuram College. Description box में आपको Google Maps लिंक मिल जाएगा. Just click on it, you're going to be here. स्क्रीन पे भी आपको मैं एक मोबाइल नंबर शेयर कर दूंगी. कोई भी डिटेल्स है, क्वेरीज है, आप लोग आराम से कॉल कर सकते हैं.
Yes.
ऑलराइट, सो टेल अस व्हाट्स न्यू टुडे एंड व्हाट आर द ऑफर्स. कुछ नया लेके आए हैं हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए.
100% ma'am, we have totally changed our display.
Okay.
We have new models, we have new collection, new fabrics also we have invented. We have, before we used to take all the fabrics from India itself.
Okay.
Now we are taking fabrics from all over the countries like Italy, German,
that's amazing.
China. Okay, from there and all we are importing and we are giving it to our customers.
Okay.
Because our motto is, जो हमारे पास जो सोफा है 80% दुकानों में वो सोफा नहीं है.
ओके.
ओके, सो कस्टमर्स का क्या प्रेफरेंस ऑफ द सोफाज फॉर द हाउसेज कि हम जो घर बनाते हैं सेम एलिवेशन का घर दूसरे ना बनाए, सेम एलिवेशन का सेम इंटीरियर दूसरे के पास नहीं है, दूसरों से अच्छा रहना चाहिए.
सही बात है.
तो सोफा भी सेम रहेगा तो कस्टमर को वो स्पार्क वो वाइब नहीं आता है.
exactly.
सो व्हाट आवर इंटेंशन इज गिव द कस्टमर विच इज टोटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द मार्केट, जो मार्केट में नहीं मिलता है. That collection we give. And about the offers, last 2 videos we gave bean bag. It was a super hit. For all the customers we have given bean bags. So in this video also, for all the sofa purchases we will give a bean bag free.
Okay. I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
last time we also gave 2 puffies free.
Yes ma'am, 2 puffies free for the corner sofas.
Corner sofas, right?
Same will be continuing over here.
All
and
right.
I'll tell your viewers, your subscribers, we give 200 kilometers free delivery from our location.
Wow, that's amazing guys.
Yes.
200 kilometers free delivery. कहीं से भी आप लोग ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं, डिलीवरी हो जाएगी, तो आप टेंशन ना लें. एंड मेरी गारंटी है कि इनके जो सोफाज हैं दे आर जस्ट बैंग ऑन अमेजिंग. अगर मुझे भी नया कुछ खरीदना होगा सोफाज, आई एम श्योर दिस इज द वन, दिस इज द प्लेस दैट आई वांट टू. सो सबसे पहले क्या दिखाने वाले, कौन सा सोफा?
This sofa.
Alright,
The
this
sofa,
one?
yes.
Lovely.
The sofa name is Elephant, Aane. We call it as Aane in Kannada.
Okay.
Okay, why, if you ask me, you can see over here the handle. I'll ask the cameraman to zoom in over here. Kindly, ma'am, please do have a look. Okay, it has a trunk like
Right,
shape.
absolutely.
For that reason, its name is Ane, and it looks very beautiful, very sophisticated. The wood
Right.
continues from here, it goes till here and takes a shape over here.
Okay.
Please have a seat, feel the comfort, tell our
Absolutely.
viewers.
It also matches with my scarf color.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Okay. In this, we have used molded foam.
Right, it's kind of bouncing a little
Yes,
bit.
and it has a pocketed spring. So if you sit a little bit harder on the cushion, it will bounce back 2 to 3 times like this.
Right, yes.
Yes. So why we use this type of foam? Because of the comfort. My weight is 50 kgs. Someone's weight might be 60 kgs. Someone's weight might be 70 kgs.
Right.
For all the weight types, it should give a perfect comfort based on their weight. So for that, we have used this type of cushion. And for the wood, we have used in this Honne wood,
Honne wood, the
And
most
yeah.
famous wood.
the most famous and the most costliest wood.
Okay.
For like 80 to 90% of the furniture stores in furniture industry, they don't use it.
Oh,
Unless and until it's a premium
Brand.
store or a
जी.
premium brand.
जी.
Okay. In this we have used Honne wood, which gives a lifetime warranty. एक पूरा आपका generation use करके next generation को दीजिए आप, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
Okay,
And
great.
for the back we have given semi-adjustable like this.
okay.
For how much ever height you want, you can use it.
Adjustable,
Yes,
right?
you can adjust it.
Absolutely. Okay.
You can adjust it.
Great. कलर भी काफी chic है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and quality इनका कोई भी सोफा आप लेके जाओ, it's just amazing. You don't have to worry
100%,
about
ma'am.
it.
And then you see over here for the down, we have
जी.
given Chesterfield work over here.
जी.
The same has been continued to the teepie.
Okay.
Okay, so it
lovely.
looks very sophisticated, very unique.
जी.
Okay, it's like an appealing thing. Okay, the small details make more look.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
And so it comes with a central table and 2 puffies.
Yes, it comes with a center table, 2 puffies ottoman.
और ये हमारे लिए फ्री है.
Yes, exactly.
तो गाइस आप लोगों के लिए खास सेंटर टेबल एंड 2 puffies फ्री अगर आप लोग ये सोफा लेते हैं.
100%, ma'am.
सोफा लेने के लिए हमारे व्यूअर्स को प्राइस बता दीजिए प्लीज.
For this, for the actual pricing, what we quote is 77,500 for the sofa. But
Okay.
for your viewers, we'll give it only for 68,000 rupees.
लवली, दैट्स अमेजिंग. वहां पे आप देख सकते हैं 88 MRP, 77,500. आप लोगों के लिए 68,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move to the next. Can you
Sure.
show us the next one, please?
Yes, ma'am. The sky sofa.
Sky sofa.
Exactly.
Can you tell us why do you call it as a sky sofa?
Because of the things, ma'am, we have given cloud-like of pillow over here.
Okay.
Okay, the back is very soft as a cloud.
Okay.
Okay, and the seat is also very soft. Please have a seat, ma'am. Please have a seat.
Right.
Take support from your back, ma'am, to the back pillow. You can tell your viewers how the comfort is.
कंफर्ट के बारे में मुझे कुछ बोलना ही नहीं है आपके सोफा के
100%
बारे में.
ma'am.
मैं बार-बार I keep reiterating that the comfort level is next level actually.
Yes. Why this sofa is different? If I tell
Tell
you, see, in this हमने दिया है पूरा एक single pillow, ma'am.
Right.
We have not given a cut in a corner. In
Oh.
some of our corners, we don't give this pillow. We give a cut.
Okay.
But because it's a bulgy sofa, it's an appealing sofa.
Right.
It looks more heavier. It looks more bulkier. It puts a standard to your house.
Right.
For that reason, we have given this. And the corner is very big. If you sit in the corner also, a person over here
comfortable.
can sit here, a person over here can sit here.
Right.
Yes, exactly. And I'll ask the cameraman to show over the base at the bottom. We have given a rubber root 2 inches of base over here,
Okay.
which gives an additional look and a more superior quality.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर मुझे इसके हिसाब से कुछ और चाहिए, लाइक प्रीवियस वाले सोफे में हम लोगों ने वुड होने वुड दिया था.
Yes.
Can we use that as well?
Yes, we can use honne wood in that. But in this inside, we have given honne wood only.
Okay.
But outer frame, we have given rubber wood.
Rubber wood.
Rubber wood
okay.
is a little bit more costlier than honne wood, ma'am.
Oh, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
वो सब हमें पता ही नहीं था. Thanks for the information
Yes.
about it.
Let the customers
And
come and ask, we'll
color
give
में
them.
customize करवा सकते हैं.
10,000 plus colors you can customize it.
Fabric?
You can customize fabric and color. Everything can be customized.
Anything, right?
Yes,
Whatever
ma'am.
I want according
yes,
to my
ma'am.
taste.
Okay, and in this, even for the teepie, if you look over here, we have given a wooden base.
Right.
We have given a wooden base because it should look uniformity. It
Right.
shouldn't look different. And I'll ask the cameraman
It's
to
the
show over
exact
here.
match as well.
Yes,
जो भी है ना.
and it's not a overwork handle, a sophisticated straight line wooden work handle,
जी.
which looks elegant.
Right.
In a word, in Kannada, we call it as jatre.
ಜಾತ್ರೆ.
ಜಾತ್ರೆ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ.
Okay.
Okay, it
ಜಾತ್ರೆ ತರ
looks-
ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ. Correct.
Yes, ಹೌದು. It looks
ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು.
appealing. ಹೌದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಹೌದು. And with this also you get 2 puffies absolutely free, 200 kilometers free delivery, and a bean bag absolutely free on the purchase of this sofa.
Okay, amazing. You also have a console there.
Yes, and in a console we have changed it. We have moved it to spring and hydraulic system.
Okay.
Okay, I'll ask the viewers to see anywhere else you won't get this.
Absolutely. मैं भी अभी देख रही हूँ actually.
Okay, you don't get a fabric inside. You get a
Right.
black
Black
color
one,
thin
right?
thread. Okay.
सही बात है.
Yes, sir. It costs us more, but it should look premium.
Correct.
Okay, if your relatives, if your guest, any friends or family, anyone come to your house, and if they open this, it should not look shabby, ma'am.
Right.
It should look premium.
Right.
That's what we
really
give.
nice. मतलब आप इतना सोचते हैं लोगों के बारे में. Can you tell us what's the price? Let's come to that.
See, ma'am, for this we have given a price of 75,000 rupees, sir.
Okay.
But if your viewers come, we will give a best price for this. Okay, let's keep it as a surprise.
Sure. All right, guys. आप यहाँ पे आइए. Check the price for yourself. He will give you a really good price.
Yes.
All you need to know is meet this person.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so guys, let's move to the next one.
Yes, ma'am. This is a super hit Galaxy sofa. It's a blockbuster sofa, ma'am.
It's called Galaxy Sofa.
Galaxy sofa.
All
From
right.
last your videos, I think if I'm not wrong, I have sold more than 70 to 80 sofas.
Really? That's
Yes, ma'am.
amazing. You guys are just the best audience I've ever found. Thank you
Yes,
so
ma'am.
much for trusting us.
I must say your audience loves you and us a lot.
No, definitely they love our videos. The reason कि आप इतना अच्छा delivery दे रहे हो, that's
Yes,
the reason.
ma'am.
The
Yes,
product is really good.
Yes,
इसी
ma'am.
वजह से मैं भी बार-बार आपसे जुड़ रही हूँ.
This is our 5th video or 6th video, I guess. We are
Absolutely.
doing.
Right.
Okay. Have a seat, ma'am. In this, we have given totally different type of comfort. When you sit on this sofa, see, you have these pillows over here.
Right.
Okay, this gives a exact bucket cushion.
feeling, right?
Exactly, ma'am.
Okay.
आपके जो BMW, Fortuner, Mercedes Benz पे जो सीट आता है, कार
जी.
का सीट आता है, सेम सीट हमने इसमें दिया है. When you sit over this and after 1 or 2 minutes only, this seat goes more 1 inch down, gives exact comfort to your legs and thighs.
Okay. It
Okay.
adjusts our body.
It
मतलब
suggests-
हमारी body के साथ adjust हो
Exactly,
जाता है.
exactly, ma'am.
Adaptability.
Yes, this name is Galaxy, but our customers called it as Bahubali.
बाहुबली.
Yes, क्योंकि इसका look उतना बल्कि है. It shows the front person that this has something value. Okay, इसलिए. और इसमें आके वीडियो में दिख रहा होगा कि नहीं, but this sofa is very huge.
Absolutely, it's actually huge.
Yes,
but then
ma'am.
compact भी लग रहा है.
Compact only in video, ma'am, but if you see over here, it's very, very huge.
Right.
Okay, and in this we have given teak hood over here. You can just observe.
It's a very sleek and a
Yes,
very
it looks
chic
elegant,
design, I would
ma'am.
say.
Okay, I'll ask the cameraman to show over this side of this, so that the viewers can see. Okay, and at the bottom you see we have given 5 inches of teak hood legs.
Okay.
The teak hood leg, why we have, yes, ma'am. The why we
Okay.
have given 5 inches of teak hood leg is
Tell
for the
me.
look of the sofa, for
Look
the
of the
height of the
sofa.
sofa. Okay,
Right.
and with this legs we have almost 6 inches of gap inside. आपका robo हो जाए, आपका mop, आपका broom, anything can
Anything
go inside.
can go inside,
Yes, and
right?
easily clean
Absolutely.
it.
काफी अच्छा space दिया गया है
Exactly,
बीच में.
ma'am. And in
which is
this
really
back
good.
also we have given different design,
Right.
And Recron plus HR poly we have used it.
Okay.
Okay, so आपको 10 साल के बाद भी ये सोफा ऐसे नहीं होगा, सैग नहीं होगा ये.
Okay.
Because of this, and it
मतलब
comes.
हम लोगों को सोफा जब हम लोग लेते हैं ना, that's the major problem. कोई भी आप लोग सोफा लो, उस थोड़े टाइम के बाद ना एकदम सैग हो जाता है, because या तो we are overweight और भी because
See,
सोफा
ma'am,
रहता
if
है.
you go for a branded thing, customers का main problem क्या है? फोन उनको ब्रांडेड चाहिए, पेंट उनको एशियन का चाहिए, फैंस उनको क्रॉम्पटन के चाहिए,
Right.
टीवी उनको एलजी या सोनी का चाहिए. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू सोफा,
Pricing.
they go for a local stores.
Correct.
They don't go for a branded one. इतना पूरा घर आप पूरा ब्रांड से ये कर रहे हैं. सोफा which is the main thing which you use every day, go for a brand.
True.
Yes.
Because ज्यादातर हमारा living
Exactly.
hours what we spend in a day, we spend it only in the sofas.
110%, मैम.
Right.
हमारा आगे पूरा कर्लन का है.
Right.
We don't use local. We are only from Kurlan authorized. This is a Kurlan authorized shop. Okay.
Okay.
So everything whatever you're seeing here is from Kurlan. You get direct warranty from all over India. कश्मीर से लेके कन्याकुमारी तक आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, we will solve it out.
Right. They also give you free delivery, guys. So जल्दी से contact
Not
करो.
for Kashmir, for 200 kilometers.
Okay, कोई बात नहीं. 200
Yes.
kilometers is great, I would
Yes,
say.
ma'am. And it comes with a
Okay.
box teepie,
Right.
a boxy teepie.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, but guys, आप लोग बस एक sneak peek लो अभी फिलहाल का furniture showroom का and see how many customers here are here. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. हम लोग बहुत मुश्किल से अभी यहाँ पे वीडियो बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, but you can see the love that they are actually getting.
Yes,
हम
ma'am.
वीडियो बनाए या ना बनाए, but यहाँ पे Hilton Furniture में already बहुत सारे people keep coming in
Yes,
because of the product that you guys are
Exactly. Ma'am,
delivering.
this is a 25 years old store.
Oh, nice. That's
This
very
is
nice.
a 25 years old
Pretty
store.
old.
Yes, in Yelahanka everyone knows about this store.
Right.
We have a good image over here. From 25 years we are serving good quality products.
Right.
Everything. From 2 years we are engaging with all over Bangalore.
Correct.
Now we are getting customers from all over Bangalore, Udupi. From
I think outside कर्नाटका आपको भी बहुत सारा
outside
प्यार मिल रहा है ना?
Ma'am, I'll tell you honestly, I have got a good order from Hyderabad after watching your video.
Super.
Customer is trusting us
Thank
from
you so much,
Hyderabad.
guys. Hyderabad people, thank you so much. You
Yes.
know, you guys know that I love you a lot.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. काफी ज्यादा हम लोगों ने सुना है कि हैदराबाद से भी बहुत लोग हमें
We
प्यार
get a
करते हैं,
lot,
watch
ma'am,
करते
a
हैं.
lot
Thank
of
you.
things. Okay, so the quality and
तो
all
हम
customer can trust us.
एब्सोल्युटली
Yes.
क्वालिटी का गाइस क्वालिटी के बारे में पूछो ही नहीं. नेक्स्ट मैं आपको पूछने ही नहीं वाली क्वालिटी
Yes,
के बारे
ma'am.
में. 100% गारंटी बोल रही हूँ. क्वालिटी बहुत अमेजिंग है. यहाँ का फैब्रिक बहुत अच्छा है. अगर आपको ये फैब्रिक नहीं चाहिए, दूसरा फैब्रिक चाहिए, वो भी मिल जाएगा. कस्टमाइज कर देंगे. कलर ये नहीं पसंद है, दूसरा कलर ले लो. जो आपका वॉल पेंट है उसके साथ कस्टमाइज करवाना चाहते हो, कॉन्ट्रास्ट करवाना चाहते हो, वो भी कर सकते हो. हिल्टन फर्नीचर में आपको सब कुछ मिल जाएगा, यू डोंट
Yes,
हैव टू
ma'am.
वरी। बस इतना करना है आपको, एक बार यहाँ पे विजिट कीजिए। वंस यू विजिट, यू नॉट गोना गो विदाउट
Yes, ma'am.
एम्प्टी हैंडेड, दैट्स माय गारंटी फॉर
Yes,
श्योर।
ma'am. Okay, for the pricing, I will tell
Please.
you. See, the pricing is 95,000 over here, and customer is ready to pay me 95 का 90 to 90 तक हो जाता है.
जी।
But for your viewers, it will be below 85.
गाइस सिर्फ हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए बिलो 85,000 आपको
Yes.
मिल रहा है। आपको आने की भी जरूरत नहीं है। इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू कम डाउन, जस्ट कॉल अप, बुक इट एंड दे विल डिलीवर।
Ma'am, from your trust, I'll tell you, I am making it a long video, but I'll tell you, 40 to 50 customers every month book online over us.
सुपर,
Because of the trust, because of the reviews we have made on Google and YouTube.
दैट इज द रीजन मैं वीडियोस में बस आई एम नॉट सपोज्ड टू शोकेस, बट एक हल्का सा स्नीक पिक दिया
Yes, ma'am.
कि आप लोग देख रहे हैं, तभी से बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं, जा रहे हैं, दे आर बुकिंग, दे आर गोइंग।
Yes, ma'am.
सो आई वांटेड टू शो इट टू यू।
Yes, ma'am. We'll go for the next sofa. Yes, ma'am. Please.
ऑलराइट, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन।
Yes, ma'am. The sofa name is 3-back classic.
ओके,
Yes, sir.
इट इज अ क्लासिक कलर, आई वुड से
Yes,
दैट
ma'am.
फर्स्टली।
I'll tell you one thing. All the viewers who are there who will little bit, they will understand English and Urdu.
सही
So
बात
we'll
है।
go with Urdu and English both.
Sure,
ma'am.
please,
Okay.
please.
Because a customer complained me, if you are speaking only in English, what will
कैसे
we
समझ में आएगा,
understand?
राइट?
कैसे
दैट्स
समझ
द
में
रीजन आई
आएगा?
ऑलवेज ट्राई टू मिक्स,
Yes,
मतलब
ma'am.
थोड़ा हिंदी, थोड़ा उर्दू, थोड़ा जो भी।
Yes, ma'am. तो ये सोफे का नाम है 3-back classic. Please इसके ऊपर आप बैठिए, इसका
Sure.
कंफर्ट आपके सब्सक्राइबर्स को बताइए. How is it?
Absolutely, the comfort is really, really good. Yeah.
Really good, right, ma'am? Ma'am, कई को इसमें आपको कंफर्ट अच्छा मिलेगा because of the thigh rest. In this we have given 9 inches of cushioning. Upon that we have given 1.3 inches of hump.
Okay.
Which
I
gives
think that will give your
exact thigh support.
yeah,
Yes, the thigh
support,
thigh
right?
rest. This is called as thigh rest. इसमें आपको perfect thigh support मिलेगा. And for the back, I'll ask the cameraman to come little bit over here and show how the cushion is going to the back. See, it covers the C part of the head.
The
From
cervical.
L1 to L5 exactly it gives you the exact comfort. इसमें आपको पूरा comfort मिलेगा. और इसमें आके इसमें जो handle है, the handle is very unique. We have given a Chester work over here,
Okay.
which looks sophisticated. आपके घर में कोई भी एंटर हो रहा है तो अगर वो हैंडल दिखेगा, it makes a look, वो एक अच्छा दिखता है.
Right.
एक पंच है वो एक.
Right.
Okay, उसके ऊपर आके रबर और वुडन वर्क होके है, which adds elegance.
Elegance, yes.
Yeah, and that we have given a bridge over here
Okay.
for the exact support to your hand.
Okay.
Okay.
Very well.
Yes, ma'am. And in this you get a console over here, which has 45
अंदर
liters
भी
of
fabric
storage.
है, कौन सा
अंदर भी
इसमें
fabric है, ma'am.
right?
Okay.
Which is really
Ma'am,
nice.
this is a brand store. You won't get anything local. कचरा काम नहीं मिलेगा अगर
Right.
if I am telling in words. अच्छा काम मिलेगा आपको.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, like you said, मतलब ये health अगर आपको maintain करनी है थोड़ा, you know, if you want your spinal cord and cervical अच्छा
Yes.
रखना है, maintain करना है, good thing, then I think this is a very good sofa for those people.
100%. ये सोफा सबको पसंद नहीं आता है.
जी.
But whoever understands the finishing, the quality,
Right.
the appealing look,
Right.
they
मेरे को
will
तो मन ही नहीं कर रहा उठने का अभी फिलहाल।
Yes, they will buy this sofa.
Okay.
Okay. And in this we have given a wood plank over here
Okay.
to uniform the handle plank and this. इसमें आपके लेडीज जो भी हैं वो आके वाज एनीथिंग दे कैन शोकेस वाटरफॉल फाउंटेन
Right.
एनीथिंग दे कैन शोकेस ओवर देयर.
क्योंकि ample space है उसमें,
Yes,
कुछ भी
ma'am.
रख सकते हैं आराम
Yes,
से.
ma'am.
It'll actually, you know, highlight this particular piece also. मतलब
Exactly, ma'am. Exactly.
Really nice. Alright, so मेरा एक question है.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
love the color, I love everything.
Yes, ma'am.
But then थोड़ा एकदम लाइट रहने की वजह से गंदा ना हो जाए, because घर पे बच्चे लोग
हर
रहते हैं, lot of
कस्टमर्स
things
का
will be
आके यही प्रॉब्लम है. व्हाइट हमारे को अच्छा दिखता है.
there. जी.
व्हाइट ऑफिशियल कलर है.
जी.
व्हाइट इज अ वेरी गुड कलर. बट हमारे घर में बच्चे हैं, नहीं को तो रिश्तेदारों के बच्चे हैं,
Right.
जो आते हैं
Right.
पूरा गंदा करते हैं और चले
Right.
जाते हैं.
Right.
बट वी हैव अ सोल्यूशन फॉर दैट. आपके हमारे पास एक कपड़ा है, अ क्लॉथ वी हैव लिटिल बिट मोर प्रीमियम इट इज, थोड़ा प्राइसिंग एक्स्ट्रा होगा, बट आपको सोफा क्लीन करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
Okay.
आपके बच्चे कचरा डालें, पेन से लिखें, कुछ भी करें, कुछ नहीं होगा.
Okay, right. I think
Yes.
हम लोगों ने last time वीडियो में भी दिखाया था. How
Yes,
was the
ma'am.
response to it? Because
इट वाज टू गुड मैम. हमारे पास डिस्प्ले रखने का भी सोफा नहीं है, वो
right,
इतना
मतलब
सोल्ड है.
अभी आपके पास सिर्फ फैब्रिक है, वो सोफा भी नहीं है.
सोफा भी
खाली हो गया क्या?
100% खाली हो गया और 40 ऑर्डर्स वी हैव पेंडिंग.
Okay,
वो
guys, sorry. Last time जो हम लोगों ने डाला था वीडियो, me myself मतलब इतना पसंद आया. Even if it's a light color, you know, the fabric जो था, whatever you spill. Last time हम लोगों ने
Waterproof.
कोल से ट्राई किया था,
Yes,
right?
yes. No, also we'll show by coal and by pen, so
Okay.
that your viewers can understand
Sure.
why it's more quality.
Okay.
Okay.
Please go on.
Ma'am,
I want you.
Please. I'll come over here. Ma'am, give us signature over here, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just write something.
Water code. See, I can show you the viewers how it is. Okay.
Oh.
But when you put water on it like this,
Okay.
just a
Oh,
bit
it's already
water.
coming out.
Yes, it's already coming out, ma'am. Okay.
Lovely.
And just need to do it like this.
Wow, it's just gone.
Yes, it's gone.
Amazing. मतलब
अगर आप
उतना
सोप
try
के
भी
पानी से
करने की
करेंगे
जरूरत
तो
नहीं थी
और
मुझे.
अच्छा चला जाएगा ये.
Lovely.
Yes,
मुझे
and-
यही चाहिए था, because see हमारे घर पे तो right now we don't have any kids at home, but
Exactly.
then you know आपके घरों पे होंगे या कोई भी आता है गेस्ट, वी कैन नॉट कंट्रोल द गेस्ट,
Yes, exactly, ma'am.
और मुझे यही कलर पसंद है, तो हम लोग क्या
Exactly.
करें? You can buy something like
Yes,
this.
like this. And I'll show you one more. अगर गंदा हो गया तो कैसा क्लीन करेंगे? I'll
Right.
just show you. इसके ऊपर हम थोड़ा सा डस्ट डालेंगे.
Okay.
Let us see it will go or not.
Okay. Last time हम लोग कोल ट्राई किया
Yes.
था.
Now also we'll try the coal which is more darker.
Okay, lovely.
Please, gentlemen, please put the coal over here. अब बच्चों के हाथ ऐसे होते हैं खेलने के बाद, कुछ भी
Okay.
करने के बाद. This is the worst thing.
Right.
This is the worst thing.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Oh.
White कपड़े पे इतना हो गया है.
Oh my, I don't know if this
इतना
would have
ऐसा
happened to
करेंगे.
my sofa.
Yes. इधर भी अभी भी धो लेना मैम.
Right.
Just put some little bit of water.
Water is also okay.
Yeah, water is a waterproof, ma'am. It's a waterproof. Just you need to clean it. Like
Guys, that's just amazing. आप लोग देखिए, it's totally gone.
Yes,
मतलब
ma'am.
कोई भी निशान नहीं है.
this. Yes, ma'am.
That's amazing. I think आप क्लॉथ भी डर्टी आपका, वो भी फिर भी कुछ नहीं हुआ.
Yes,
It's absolutely
ma'am.
clean.
That is brand. That is quality.
That's
which we
just
give.
amazing, I would
Yes,
say. It's
ma'am.
not quality or whatever, it's amazing.
Exactly, ma'am. क्योंकि customers का वही doubt रहता है.
Right. What's the fabric name? Can you tell us, please?
Ma'am, the fabric name. If I tell the disclosures, the things which we have
Okay.
used, other stores might get copied.
Okay.
So let's keep it a
कोई बात
secret.
नहीं. अगर लोगों को viewers, if they want this particular thing, how are they going to reach you?
Just come and ask us. Show me a child-proof sofa.
Child-proof sofa. All
Child-proof
right.
sofa. In
Amazing.
any fabric you can put it. In
Great.
any sofa you can put it.
Great.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
जल्दी से मुझे इस वाले का प्राइस बता दीजिए.
Exactly, ma'am. This price is 72,000. It's a 89,000 rupees sofa, but at a cost of 72,000 rupees. But आपके viewers के लिए, we will give it only for 62,000 rupees only.
Oh my God, मैं सोच रही थी ये 68 या 70 बोलेंगे.
नहीं, ma'am.
मैं सोच रही थी 65
अगर
करवाने
आपको
का.
68 दिख रहा है तो 68 बोल दें.
मैं सोच रही थी 65 करवाने का, but you already gave 62,000.
If you tell, we'll make it
आप
68.
लोग आकर के और 2,000 रुपीस कम कर लीजिए.
नहीं. This is the final pricing which we are giving to our customers.
All right.
All the pricing which are here are final. We can't give more discount.
Not
We are-
even a little bit.
लिटिल बिट हो तो थोड़ा ज्यादा आइटम लेंगे तभी हम थोड़ा कर सकते हैं, बट कस्टमर्स आके 5,000 6,000 पूछते हैं तो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर
No,
अस.
I think he's already giving a very reasonable prices.
ma'am.
The reason being the quality.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the quality, colors, fabric, everything is on
Exactly,
point.
ma'am.
And जो pricing है उससे भी बहुत ज्यादा कम में दे रहे हैं. So thank you so much. I
Sure,
would just
ma'am.
say thank you.
Sure.
Let's
And
move to
it
the
comes
next
with
one.
an Italian teapot and 2 puffies.
Okay, अगर मुझे ये वाला fabric नहीं, the child proof वाला
Yes.
fabric चाहिए तो क्या pricing रहेगा?
थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा होगा, नॉट वेरी मच, थोड़ा सा ज्यादा होगा, बट इट्स वर्थ इट. आई विल टेल यू वर्थ इट. अगर आपके घर में बच्चे हैं जो बहुत एक्टिव हैं, ओवरली एक्टिव, दे मेक मोर मिस्चीवियस थिंग्स, or your children are good but the relative children who come to your house
Correct.
and they damage your sofa, for them you can go with this. Put 3,000 to 4,000 rupees extra, but you will get a good fabric color sofa.
Sure. All right, let's move to the next one.
Sure, ma'am.
So we've already moved to the next section,
Yes,
and this
ma'am.
is one of the sofas that's caught my eye.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
chaliye, let's listen to it.
Yes, ma'am. This sofa name is Toughen sofa.
Toughened sofa.
Yes, ma'am.
It
Exactly.
also looks toughened. Okay,
Why? Because
बताइए.
it is a toughen. I'll ask the cameraman to zoom in over here and show
Please.
the handle. It has a glass top on it.
Okay.
Okay, which gives superior look. जो भी नॉर्मल दुकान वाले होते हैं मैम, here only you will find the difference. जो भी नॉर्मल दुकान वाले होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, इधर आके लकड़ी का प्लैंक दे देते हैं,
Correct.
ब्लैक कलर का लकड़ी का देते हैं. बट इफ दे आर डूइंग वुड प्लैंक, इफ दे आर पुटिंग वुड प्लैंक, वी वोंट पुट वुड प्लैंक.
Right. I want to sit before he says.
वील पुट ग्लास टॉप. ओके, इसमें आके आपको बेवल का के 10 mm का ग्लास टॉप आएगा विद 2 कप होल्डर्स ओवर हियर, 2 कप होल्डर्स इधर और 2 कप होल्डर्स उधर.
Right.
तो चाय गिर गया, कॉफी गिर गया, वो सब झंझट ही नहीं. आप आराम से कॉफी पीजिए, लाइक एन एलिगेंट थिंग. यू कीप द कप.
But वो glass टूटने का कोई टेंशन नहीं.
110% टूटने का चांसेस ही नहीं है. Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
And
It's
I'll
a
ask
toughened
you,
glass, guys. Don't have to worry.
go a little bit back, feel the headrest comfort. But here, ma'am, please have a seat. It's just for you only. पीछे हेडरेस्ट का कंफर्ट लीजिए. इट हैज अ 6 लेयर हेडरेस्ट मैम.
Wow.
तो आपका हाइट 6.1 हो, 6.2 हो, 5.7 हो, 5.9 हो, इट गिव्स एग्जैक्ट कंफort. एंड दिस आल्सो कम्स विद अ कप होल्डर ओवर हियर.
Also, it's very
console.
soft and firm.
यस मैम. इट्स अ ये कपड़ा भी जो है वैसा ही है. इट्स अ रफ थिंग.
Absolutely. No, it's very soft also.
Rough thing,
Rough है, but soft.
फॉर द
feeling है.
लुक.
Right.
When you touch it, it's very soft.
Very soft, I would say.
और ये कपड़ा के imported है. I will challenge you, ये वाला fabric you won't find in any store.
Right.
I'm challenging on the YouTube. This type of fabric you won't find in any store in Bangalore.
Wow, they also have a console, मैं बता देती हूँ.
Yes, ma'am.
And काफी अच्छा storage है, आराम
Exactly.
से
Ample
बहुत
of
सारी
space
चीजें
is
रख
there.
सकते हैं आप.
Yes, ma'am.
कुछ रखते हो कि नहीं, रिमोट इसके अंदर ही रखना, वरना
Yes,
it will
ma'am.
be gone.
Your quick snacks, your remote, your AC remote, everything you can
Absolutely, you
keep
can
over
keep
here.
it here.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
And
well.
we have given a diamond quilt design over here, which adds more look to your sofa. And
Right.
here we have continued it to the bottom also. Okay, and
ये
in this,
काफी डिफरेंट है फ्रॉम
little different.
टोटली हटके है फ्रॉम द अदर सोफास.
Out of 10 customers, 10 में से 8 कस्टमर they will like this sofa.
ओके,
Because of the pricing.
ऑफिशियल पर्पस के लिए भी यूज कर, ऑफिस पर्पस के लिए भी
Yeah,
यूज
you
कर सकते
can
हैं.
take it for an official purpose also. It's up to you. इस 10 में से 8 customers will go with this sofa. And you
Okay.
can see a button over here. और customers को बहुत टेंशन होता है कि ये बटन टूट जाएगा करके. This button will come out.
राइट.
ओके, ये बटन नहीं निकलता इतना इजीली से जब तक आप इधर से चाकू से इसका वायर कट नहीं करेंगे.
ओके ओके
Okay.
ओके, या आई सी द थिंग इज वेरी फर्म.
यस मैम, इट्स वेरी टाइट. इट्स नॉट
Right.
फर्म, इट्स वेरी टाइट.
Tight.
ओके, सो इसका इशू नहीं है. इसमें भी वो कलर्स मिल जाएंगे.
एंड कॉम्पैक्ट भी है.
Yes, even in this you can change the color. Gold, rose gold, silver, official black. However you want, we can customize it. You get a 3x2 teepa in this, and I'll ask the cameraman to come over here. You get 2 puffies over here, and the handle thing. Here also we have given a little different look. Same button we have given, same quilting design we have given. Okay, kindly do come over here. Show the back side of the headrest so that I can explain them. Okay, we use SS quality first grade headrest. It comes with a zip. Okay, so that if you want to adjust the tightness of this, you can easily adjust it, ma'am.
मतलब गाइस, इफ यू वांट टू स्टोर इन समथिंग बिहाइंड भी आप लोग कुछ ना कुछ रख सकते हो.
Exactly.
अगर किसी को नहीं बताना है, इफ यू वांट टू
If you want to keep your black money, you can easily keep it over there.
Right. So let's go to the pricing, please.
Sure, ma'am. For
Waiting
this
for it.
pricing, the MRP of this is 85,000 rupees, sir.
Okay.
But for your viewers, we are giving it for 68,000 rupees in your old video.
Okay.
But in a new video, because आपके customers ने बहुत सारा support दिखाया हमारे को,
Please,
it was a
जल्दी
good
बताइए.
thing. So only for limited time, सिर्फ ये सोफे के लिए we will give it only for 60,000 rupees.
Alright, so guys,
Yes, ma'am.
और 8,000 रुपए का डिस्काउंट है सिर्फ आप लोगों के लिए.
Exactly.
But like you said, limited time. मतलब कितना टाइम? अंदाज़न?
Let's see how the customer comes.
Sure. Alright, so आप लोग आइए. And he's always there for support. तो
Yes, ma'am.
आराम से 60,000 rupees for this beautiful, elegant
Yes,
sofa,
yes,
guys.
ma'am.
And guys, एक और चीज मैं बताना चाहूंगी आप लोगों को. मेरे सामने by the time हम लोग ये वीडियो बना रहे थे, 3 to 4 people have already finalized this and
Exactly.
they've taken it.
Yes, ma'am. In the same color, they have finalized it.
Same color also.
Exactly, yes,
इतना
ma'am.
डिटेल्स मुझे नहीं पता था, but thanks for it.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright guys, अगर आपको ये कलर चाहिए, ये कलर लो. नहीं चाहिए तो दूसरा कलर ले लो.
Exactly, ma'am. Ma'am, now we are doing in a live test on
Okay.
a coffee. As I said, this is a coffee tea clean fabric.
Okay.
We'll show the customers live how it works.
Okay.
If by mistake someone is putting coffee on it like this,
Alright.
okay, nothing is gonna happen. You just need to wipe it down like this.
Okay.
Okay, just need to change the fabric like this
Wow. Okay.
and just do it like this.
Are you serious?
Yes,
मतलब
ma'am.
ये धीरे धीरे करके जा रहा है पूरा का पूरा.
Exactly. पानी की भी जरूरत नहीं है आपको.
Okay.
पानी की भी जरूरत नहीं है. Just you need to do it like this. The
कोई भी गंदे कपड़े से आप पोंछ रहे हो एक्चुअली, आई वुड
exactly
से.
100%. अगर आप white
Wow,
कपड़ा white
this is
कपड़े भी
amazing.
डालेंगे तो भी चला जाएगा.
Okay.
Okay.
Guys, did you just see? This was just amazing. मतलब कॉफी, चाय, कुछ भी आप लोग गिरा दो, automatically
Exactly.
coming back to its own color.
Exactly.
You, oh my
5
God,
मिनट
can you
छोड़
see?
दीजिए, वो ड्राई हो जाएगा.
See this?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you see? यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे डिफरेंस आप लोग देखिए. अब भी इन्होंने ये पोछा, ड्राई होने के बाद ये एकदम चेंज हो गया. देख लीजिए.
Yes, ma'am.
This is just amazing, I would say.
Yes, ma'am.
100% recommended from my side. ये वाला सोफा कुछ भी ले लो, but वो वाला कलर चेंज, कोल वाला, I think these are all just amazing, I would say.
That's we take the sofas from the brand, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Absolutely.
Okay. Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
excited. Next
the
one.
sofa name is RD sofa.
Okay.
Please have a seat. It's a very cute sofa with a little bit of bulginess.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा bulginess है, but
Can you tell me the color of this sofa? Because मुझे यहाँ से greyish लग रहा है, वहाँ से teal, greenish
green.
लग रहा है. It's giving different
it has
vibes.
4 color codes in this. So अगर इसके ऊपर heat पड़ रहा है, heat summer का इसमें क्या बोलते हैं आपका sun heat पड़ रहा है,
जी.
तो it will look different color.
Right.
If white light पड़ रहा है तो it will look different color.
Right.
Lights off है तो it will look different color.
Wow, that's nice.
You have a little bit of golden touch, golden lights or a chandelier in your house, it will look different color.
Okay, that's what.
This is the
वहाँ
thing
से-
which we give, ma'am. This is
जी.
the quality which we give.
Right.
Yes, ma'am. How is the comfort, ma'am?
I feel the cushion is really amazing.
Yes.
And यहाँ का जो support मिल रहा है, this portion
Yes, ma'am.
is really really nice.
Exactly.
This is on a slightly क्या बोलते हैं, softer side.
Softer side.
This is a very like a medium firm kind of a feel, which is giving perfect rest to my
Back.
body. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. And in this, if you observe, the seat is not straight. It's
Right.
a little bit inclined,
Yes,
5
like
degrees
a-
inclined. It's so it gives like the sofa is hugging you.
मुझे थोड़ा recliner वाला feeling मिल रहा है.
Exactly, ma'am. Exactly. Okay. And in this, we have given diamond quilt over here,
Right.
a full type of corner over here. If someone in many houses, what happens after eating your lunch, they sleep. So
Okay.
easily you have ample space to
To sleep also,
yes.
right?
Or else, if you want to watch TV, you can just go back over here. You can lay your legs up and you can watch your
Absolutely.
TV from
मतलब
this
it's
side or this
occupied.
side.
Even if I think a 6 or a 6+
6.5 also can
आराम
easily.
में सो सकते हैं. वहां से भी और यहाँ से भी काफी
Yes, ma'am.
बड़ा है. And it also looks like that bulky wala feeling,
Bulky and
like
a
a huge
cute thing.
one.
Yes.
Right?
And you can see the handle over here. I'll ask the
इसका
cameraman.
नाम क्या बोला आपने सोफे का?
RD.
RD. All right.
Okay. Here we have given a plus design, plus a teakwood plank, which comes from here, and it goes to the top of the uphill of the sofa.
Okay.
Which gives you more comfort, more uniqueness. Okay. And in this we have given same chester work over here.
Okay.
And same chester work over here for the teepie. Yes, ma'am. And you see the finishing, how it is.
Absolutely, मैं वही देख रही थी, मतलब the finishing is really really good यहाँ
Yes,
पे.
ma'am.
Let's tell our viewers the pricing, please.
Yes, ma'am. For this, the pricing is 85,000 rupees MRP. After discount, 76,000 rupees. But for your viewers, we'll give it only for 68,000 rupees with free delivery, with a bean bag absolutely free, and 200 kilometers free delivery with teepie
send it to your
and ottomans.
table? Yes, absolutely.
Exactly.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, pricing, ये pricing आपको competitive है, कहीं और पे नहीं मिलेगा. Finishing भी बहुत amazing and quality is just top
मेन
notch.
क्वालिटी एंड फिनिशिंग, मैम.
Right.
आप अपने घर का क्वालिटी कितना भी अच्छा कर लीजिए, अगर वो पेंट में फिनिशिंग नहीं होगा तो वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा.
Right.
ओके. सेम कस्टमर्स को मैं क्या बोलना चाहूंगा कि व्हेनेवर यू आर गोइंग फॉर बाइंग अ सोफा, सी दिस, ये कैसे मैच हो रहा है हमारा इसमें. सेम वैसे ही है कि जहां पे भी आप जा रहे हैं उधर मैच होना चाहिए. अगर वो फिनिशिंग ये वाला ऐसा नीचे आ गया है, ये वाला ऐसा ऊपर चढ़ गया है, दैट्स नॉट अ
Absolutely.
फिनिशिंग प्रोडक्ट.
Right.
दैट्स नॉट अ गुड प्रोडक्ट.
मतलब वो बहुत जगह पे दिखता है हम लोगों को, नहीं?
आप अंदर कितना भी अच्छा, आपका दिल कितना भी अच्छा रहे, जब तक आप अच्छा कपड़ा, अच्छे क्वालिटी का कपड़ा नहीं पहनेंगे, तब तक आपको सामने से इज्जत नहीं मिलता है. वैसे ही सोफे
Right.
के लिए भी उतना ही होता है.
True, very true, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it, guys? Comment down below which was your favorite sofa. All right, so what's the next one?
The sofa name is Cutie Pie.
Cutie Pie.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
nice
It's a very-
names, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. We keep a good names, sir,
Right.
because we treat our sofas like our children. We make it too good, so we keep good names for the sofa.
Okay.
Okay. Please बैठिए इस पे.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So guys, have a look. एकदम leathery. This is a leathery sofa.
This is a type of leathery sofa, but
Okay.
I will tell you, it's not a microfiber.
Okay.
It's not a suede. It's a different type of fabric.
Okay.
I won't disclose it in the video. मैं disclose नहीं करूँगा वीडियो में, क्योंकि दूसरे competitors they will copy the fabric. So let the customer come. आप आइए, आपको अच्छे fabric मिल जाएगा.
Okay.
Back का headrest open करता हूँ. Please
Okay,
take a comfort.
lovely.
And ये मैं बोलने से पहले बोल रहा हूँ, this has a very shocking price. All the customers will love this price.
Is it?
110%.
But I'm loving the
ma'am.
comfort at the moment.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me enjoy it.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think the headrest and my back, the kind of support जो मुझे मिल रहा है मेरी पीठ को, I don't know how to say it. I'm
Yes,
sorry.
ma'am.
I went
And
in the-
open that, ma'am. We have a console over there.
Okay. हाथ को भी super comfortable
Yes,
support
open
है.
करिए console को.
Okay, lovely. Guys, can you see? Fabric in and out.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
amazing.
Same console we have given it over here.
Oh, two consoles.
Two
in this.
consoles.
Very nice. Towards the end.
Yes, ma'am. कप होल्डर्स भी दो आएंगे. इधर कोई बैठ रहा है तो इधर भी कॉफी, टी, ग्लास, एवरीथिंग दे कैन कीप ओवर देयर आल्सो. दे कैन
Okay, and
कीप
this is a center, मतलब round वाला center.
राउंड
Very
टेबल.
cute, I would
वेल
say.
टेबल भी कॉल इट एज. जो आउटर पार्ट है वो ऊपर होता है.
क्या बोला आपने?
वेल
Well, okay. Bowdy.
बाउडी.
Okay.
एग्जैक्टली. हाउ डू वी कॉल इट एज बाउडी. तो उसमें क्या होता है, साइड राउंड पूरा है और नीचे का के.
काफी क्यूट भी लग रहा है
Yes, it
मुझे.
looks different. It looks
Yeah.
cute. If someone puts a mirror inside this
Right.
and put a glass over here, it will look outstanding.
Is
बहुत
it?
अच्छा लगेगा.
Okay.
इसके अंदर एक आप मिरर सेपरेट से करा लीजिए.
Okay.
उसके ऊपर ये ग्लास डाल दीजिए. It will look
आप customize
mesmerizing.
करवा के दे देंगे
हम करा के देंगे, बट उसके लिए टाइम लगेगा, क्योंकि हमारा पूरा आता है सेंट गोबलिन से.
Okay.
All the glasses come from Saint Gobain. Na? We take glasses also from company only.
Alright.
We don't put kacha glass, local glasses, China
Okay,
glass.
that's very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
So like you said कि price बहुत shocking होने वाला है.
Exactly, ma'am.
सुनने के लिए बेताब है, बताइए please.
Yes, ma'am. And this we have used molded cushion. आपका कार का सीट का cushion, knee mood इसमें यूज होके हैं, प्लस इसमें बेल्ट्स यूज होके हैं. एंड इन दिस वी हैव यूज्ड 300 GSM ऑफ फैब्रिक with headrest. I'm giving you with two consoles, with a teepie and two puffies, absolutely free for your viewers. ये आपको पड़ेगा 62,000 rupees for year. इधर हम बेच रहे हैं.
Okay.
But for you, I said you shocking price दूंगा करके. The MRP of this sofa is 79,000 rupees because
Okay.
of the fabric. फैब्रिक बहुत कॉस्टली है, ये बहुत प्रीमियम है. कस्टमर इधर आएंगे उनको पता चलेगा.
Okay.
बट हम क्या कितने को बेचें, 62 तक हम वी आर सेलिंग इट ओवर हियर आफ्टर डिस्काउंटेड
Okay, so
प्राइस.
that's the pricing.
Exactly, ma'am. But for your viewers, we will give it just for 52,000 rupees.
52,000 rupees
Yes,
for this
ma'am.
beautiful, elongated, cute little sofa.
Yes.
Little, sorry, is not little at all.
Exactly,
काफी
ma'am.
huge है.
But I'll
Okay.
give more, ma'am. 50,000 rupees.
50,000 rupees.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
100%, ma'am.
Guys, सिर्फ आप लोगों के लिए 50,000 rupees for this elegant, huge sofa, which is very, very cute as well.
Yes, ma'am.
So guys, wait मत कीजिए, सोचिएगा नहीं, जल्दी से आइए, grab कर लीजिए.
Done.
Alright, so और भी मजेदार सोफे हम आप लोगों को दिखाने वाले हैं. So what's the next one?
The sofa name is double headrest punch.
double headrest punch.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my god.
इसमें-
very punchy names also, I would
Exactly,
say.
ma'am. You see this sofa from here.
Right.
It has a different pattern. Okay. इसका पैटर्न दो टाइप का है, आप दो तरीके से रख सकते हैं. ऐसा एक हो गया.
जी.
हेडरेस्ट आप रखा ऐसे ओपन करके.
Okay.
When you keep this,
Oh, very
it's look
easy.
different.
जी.
हर फंक्शन में आपको सेम सोफा दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
Lovely.
अलग अलग.
Nice idea, I would say, है ना?
Exactly, ma'am. Okay. बस.
Okay, nice.
Now you show the sofa.
Right.
How it's looking? It's looking very different.
Right.
Okay. Same. Different. आप इस पे बैठिए मैम.
So it's a 2 punch,
Yes, double headrest punch.
double headrest punch. Okay,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
lovely. Lovely, I would say. देखिए, दो हेडरेस्ट ही हैं एक्चुअली. ये
Exactly.
सॉफ्टर वाला है, उसके पीछे फर्म वाला भी मिल
Exactly,
जाएगा आपको. It's really really nice.
Exactly.
And
And the comfort.
उनके बोलने से पहले मैं आप लोगों के साथ कुछ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. Look at this beautiful chic design which caught my eye. ये वाला देखिए, the golden round lining that they've given and this
Yes, ma'am.
Chester look is beautiful. I
And the
would
wood, ma'am, over here for the suffocation.
Oh, okay.
The sophisticated look which you get over here.
Right.
It has a wooden design. It has a bangle ring design. It has a Chester design which is oval. Okay. Which adds more look, more
Absolutely,
punch.
मतलब वो look, वो golden lining, वो
And
Chester look,
and the
wood.
handle is not straight. The handle is slightly
tilted.
Tilted. Exactly, ma'am.
Absolutely. I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
ऊपर से up and
आप
down,
बैठ
it's
के
like a
देखिए,
boat
ma'am.
वाला type.
Till you sit, you can't tell your viewers that it's comfortable or not.
It makes me feel like I'm a big personality, I would
Yes,
say.
ma'am. Actually, you're a big personality.
Guys, it's really really good, I would say, the comfort level and
Exactly.
everything. So like I said, the spinal alignment
Yes, ma'am.
in this sofa is absolutely amazing.
How in this the picture comfort जो है वो exact firm comfort है, ma'am. Whoever comes this, I'll tell you 10 out of 10 customers will like this.
Absolutely.
They
I love
won't like the color पसंद नहीं आया तो भी सोफा लाइक करेंगे, कलर चेंज करा लेंगे. This is a very good hot selling cake. In Ramzan we did a pricing drop pricing for this for 58,000 rupees.
Okay.
But अभी वो pricing change हो गया है. Pricing थोड़ा ऊपर जाके I will disclose the pricing at the end. Yes, ma'am.
Alright, great. So guys, comfort, spinal alignments, everything आपको जो चाहिए आपके बॉडी के हिसाब से, आपके हेल्थ कंडीशन के हिसाब से भी मिल जाएगा आपको.
Yes, ma'am.
बट मैं एक बताना चाहूंगी, ये सोफे में जो कारीगरी की गई है आप लोगों
जी,
ने,
ma'am.
like you said, the double headrest
Yes.
thing, this is also very different. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And हम लोगों ने अभी जो दिखाया, see, it was so easy for me to move it. Generally मुझसे होता नहीं. ये आप लोगों ने देखा, ये देखा आप लोगों ने, यहाँ पे वुडन देख लिया. I want to show you something else. Look at this, guys. ये देखिए कितना सारा intricate work, I would say. It is just beautiful. मतलब ये सोफे में शायद बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लगाया आप लोगों ने बनाने
Yes,
के लिए,
ma'am.
ऐसा कुछ.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But all right, we're expecting the best for our
Okay,
viewers for sure.
for the Ramzan Ugadi sale, we had given this over 58,000 rupees, but
Okay.
actual pricing was 69,000 rupees for this sofa. Now it has been a little bit increased it to 62,000 rupees, ma'am.
62,000. Guys, 4,000 rupees hike हुआ है.
Yes, ma'am.
आप लोगों के लिए the reason
Hike
being
नहीं
आप
हुआ,
मिस कर दिए last
69
time.
का 62 करा
Okay.
हूँ. 58 तो रमजान
MRP क्या है इसका?
MRP is 82.
82,000.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Anyways, so guys, आप लोग आइए, थोड़ा हमारे कस्टमर्स का ध्यान रख लो भाई.
We'll
please.
keep things. We'll give you good quality, good product, good finishing. But I will tell you, we can't give discounts.
Right.
This will be our fixed pricing.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. So,
ma'am.
is this the next one?
Exactly, ma'am.
The color is beautiful.
100%, ma'am. The sofa is also beautiful.
Right.
This is also got sold. Now it will be in a different color.
Okay.
Just now it got sold.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी हम लोग जब वहाँ पे शूट कर रहे थे,
Exactly,
this
ma'am.
was gone, guys. I wanted to tell you
Exactly.
too.
It will come in a new color till the video is uploaded.
Sure.
Please have a seat, ma'am.
But अगर आप लोगों को यही कलर चाहिए तो भी मिल जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है.
100%,
So
ma'am.
guys, let's have a seat.
Yes, ma'am. When you sit on the sofa, see the comfort, ma'am. How it's giving. And it's बहुत sophisticated है, ma'am. बहुत
Right.
unique, बहुत
It's
elegant
giving
है.
me that laid back, मतलब
It's giving you something like a relaxing
yes,
in a
laid back.
resort.
What I was trying to say is, जब हम लोग कार में बैठे रहते हैं, आगे में सिर्फ 2 सीट रहते हैं, there's very little space. But when you tilt your, the chair,
Yes, ma'am.
वो कार का chair जो आप लोग पीछे
Yes, ma'am.
करते हैं, it's giving me that kind of a feeling, like a
100%,
laid
ma'am.
back thing.
And in this, we have not given normal, casual, ordinary corner, ma'am. We have given a wood plank over here.
Okay.
ये corner में छोटा size है ये. छोटे से इसके corner में बैठने नहीं होता. बड़े से इसके corner में you can sit. But in a small size you can't sit. So we have removed the corner. We have kept on a wooden plank. Okay, इसमें आके ladies को best option है to showcase.
Absolutely, मैं वही बोलने वाली थी. अच्छा खासा स्पेस दिया
Yes,
आपने,
ma'am.
कुछ भी रख सकते हैं हम
कुछ
लोग,
भी
है ना?
रखिए इसके ऊपर राउंड कलर का एक मैट डाल के उसके ऊपर वाज,
Yeah, we can keep anything.
a
It's
waterfall.
beautiful.
It will look टोटल डिफरेंट। सबके घर में कॉर्नर होता है, बट
Absolutely.
आपके कॉर्नर में कुछ डिफरेंट रहेगा,
कॉर्नर में भी कुछ
तो
और
नजर
कॉर्नर
पड़ेगी दूसरों
yes,
की।
yes.
Yes ma'am, and it has a unique design over here.
It's like a boat set.
Yes, the boat thing.
Absolutely.
Okay, which gives a little bit more modern type.
Right. The wooden plank is also very tilted.
Yes,
It's
ma'am,
very
and it has a
nice.
double handle over here.
Yeah.
Okay, and it has 6 inches of space inside. So robo सब कुछ अंदर आराम से चला जाएगा। और अभी का ट्रेंड क्या चल रहा है मैम, कि
जी।
जितना लेग्स बड़ा होता है उतना सोफा प्रीमियम होता है।
Correct.
The more height the legs is, the more premium it looks like. Yes, ma'am.
Also मैं एक अच्छी चीज मुझे यहाँ पे लगी कि टी पॉइज भी एक ही स्टाइल के नहीं है, डिफरेंट
Exactly.
डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ डिजाइन है। एंड यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा सोफा में हम लोग बैठे रहते हैं, पैर में दर्द करने लग जाता
Exactly.
है, तो आराम से इसके
I'll tell
अंदर
the cameraman to show the teepie, the Italian teepie. और इसमें अब we are watching a TV, okay?
Correct.
You can keep the legs inside like this.
Absolutely.
Nothing is gonna happen. Okay? क्यों नहीं तो ऊपर रखते हैं, which looks untidy,
करेक्ट
efficient
गंदा
type.
नहीं
गंदा नहीं लगता है जी।
नीचे से अच्छा खासा स्पेस है, और जो भी चाहिए आप स्टोरिंग कर सकते हो।
जी जी जी।
So what's the pricing of this please?
This sofa pricing will be 64,000 rupees only.
64,000 rupees only.
64,000.
All right.
Yes, ma'am. With teepie and two puffies.
With two teapot and puffies. What's the MRP for this?
So 80, no, not 80, it's 78.
78,000.
78. We are giving here for 69. No? So we'll give this sofa only for 64,000 rupees at a best price, no further discounts.
All right.
The Osaka 2.0, the super hit sofa.
Absolutely. And
Yes,
one of my
ma'am.
favorite sofas.
You got so many comments for this sofa, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, please have a seat, ma'am. In this we have used
Absolutely.
pocketed spring. See, I will sit a little bit more harder. आप देख कितना bounce होता है sofa. I'll ask the cameraman.
आप
to-
ही बैठिए please.
Yes, ma'am. To see over here how it gets bounced.
Whoa. एकदम नीचे जाके ऊपर आया हुआ
Yes,
है
ma'am. It's a balloon cushion.
वो। Okay.
It gives so beautifully
मतलब
comfortable.
क्या है balloon cushion मतलब?
बैलून कुशन मतलब when you आप बैलून जो बनाते हैं हवा का बैलून, when you press it it compress and again when you leave it it comes back. Same
Right.
कुशन इसमें है, जितना बैठेंगे उतना कंप्रेस होगा, बट जैसे आप उठेंगे
It comes
back to the shape.
position.
Exactly.
मतलब for example you are very lighter than me.
Yes,
मैं
ma'am.
आपसे अच्छी खासी मोटी हूँ, तो मैं बैठूंगी तो भी वापस।
Yes, ma'am. I'm a
It
little
can
bit
manage?
unhealthy, you're a little bit more healthy. Yes,
So
ma'am.
that's nice of you to say that, but
Okay.
yeah, I'm
Please have a
overweight.
seat and see till the comfort, ma'am.
Oh wow, it literally went inside. मतलब ये sagging वाला ये नहीं है, it's a bouncy वाला feeling है.
Yes, ma'am. And in this, we have given a wooden plank over here, which adds a more sophisticated look in this. And we have given down a rail, a wooden rail, which adds more uniqueness to the sofa. And in this, we have not given a normal console. Please open the console, ma'am. Okay, in this we have given the car console. जो कार में आता है ना कंसोल, फाइबर बॉक्स,
Right.
वाटरप्रूफ रहता, सब कुछ रहता, वैसा कंसोल देके हम।
Super. So guys, ये वो काला कपड़ा वैसा वाला नहीं है.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is a premium thing that is
Exactly.
given,
Exactly.
and you can store in whatever you want.
100%, ma'am. And the pricing
So
of this
go on
is
with the pricing, please.
71,000 is the after discounted pricing, but for your viewers, we'll give it only for 63,000 rupees.
So guys, 63,000 में आपको ये amazing वाला सोफा मिल जाएगा, जो मेरा बहुत ही ज्यादा favorite
No
है.
further discount, fixed pricing.
Fixed pricing,
Yes,
no
ma'am.
further discount, guys. वो I can't help it. He's already given us
We have
the best
given the
pricing.
best pricing, ma'am.
Yes.
This is the last least pricing which we can do.
Yes, absolutely. We understand that and we are very thankful about it.
Yes, ma'am.
हमारे viewers भी शायद आपको उतना परेशान नहीं करते होंगे.
Done. Yes, ma'am. No, no,
Alright?
they won't.
But थोड़ा बहुत आपको ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा.
We'll give free gifts, but can't give discounts.
Okay.
So, ma'am, for this dining table, this is a mini Maharaja dining table. I'll ask the cameraman to show inside. See, दो main pillars हैं, और नीचे जाइए थोड़ा, ताकि pillars दिख सके. How good the pillars are looking. Okay, on the top we have given a veneer design.
Very
with
different.
Saint Gobain 10mm glass. And see over here, this is an Egyptian design teakwood color dining, which has a classic 44 chair.
Okay.
It gives exact spinal comfort, and you can observe the finishing. I'll ask the customer, finishing दिखाइए इसकी, थोड़ा zoom करके दिखाइए. हमारा जो polishing है वो level 4 में है.
Right.
Okay. नॉर्मल पॉलिशिंग में जो वो बूंद दिखता है, जो पॉलिशिंग मिस्टेक होता है, वैसा नहीं आता है आपको.
Okay.
Yes,
What's
ma'am.
the pricing of it?
This pricing is 63,000 rupees, but for your viewers 55,000 के अंदर ही रहेगा.
55,000 के अंदर ही
अंदर ही
रहेगा.
रहेगा. This is a rubber wood veneer sheet top. It is also very good. It's in old accent jute finish.
Okay.
ये भी आपको 50 से 5,000 के अंदर ही रहेगा.
Okay.
Okay, please come.
Tell me one thing. अगर मुझे 6 सीटर नहीं चाहिए, 4 सीटर चाहिए.
You can take कौन से भी मॉडल में आपको 4 चेयर चाहिए, 6 चेयर चाहिए, 8 चेयर चाहिए, 2 चेयर
Customize
चाहिए, मिल
करा
जाएंगे.
देंगे आप, है ना?
This is a marble composite
It's also
marble.
very
thing.
cute.
Yes, ma'am. And इसके ये जो legs हैं, इसको zoom करिए आप.
This is like that modern furniture look, like you find it in Europe and all of
Yes,
it.
ma'am,
That kind of a
exactly.
light
Yeah, exactly,
color
ma'am.
mix
And इसमें
वाला.
जब आप बैठते हैं, I'll show. आपको कभी भी डाइनिंग टेबल लेने से पहले आके जब आप बैठते तो ये आपके परफेक्ट होना चाहिए
जी,
अगर ये परफेक्ट नहीं है तो आपको डाइनिंग टेबल वो वाले में नहीं जाना चाहिए क्योंकि आपको कंफर्ट ही नहीं मिलेगा खाना खाने के लिए इट शुड बी प्रॉपर लाइक दिस इट शुड सूट एग्जैक्टली टू योर बैक का एंड द डिजाइन शुड बी गुड ये 55 है
दिस इज रियली नाइस इट्स गिविंग मी दैट यूरोपियन प्रिंसेस वाला काइंड ऑफ अ फीलिंग व्हेन यू हैव दिस across wooden marble type वाला
exactly ये 55 है but we will give it in a discounted price when the customer comes here okay
all right amazing so we are here to show
yes,
you
ma'am.
the
311 Rolex sofa a recliner sofa which has single seat recliner here one recliner and here one recliner. This seat will be the dummy seat. I'll show you in this we have used zero gravity cushion.
Okay.
Zero gravity cushion इसमें use हुआ है जब आप बैठेंगे you will feel like something is pulling you more down. It's giving you comfort from all the things. See, I'll just sit on this. It goes almost, I guess, 6 inches. It has gone down.
Okay, मतलब उतना नीचे गया.
उतना नीचे जाता है. वो comfort ही next level होता है, मैम. Okay, when you open this, more और 2 इंच और अंदर जाएगा. When you open this, it will go more 2 inches inside. This is a recliner. You can see the padding how much we have given here, and we are using all the mechanism from LP.
Okay.
We don't use local mechanisms. Legged plate. Let the customer check on Google. Legged plate करके आप check करिए आपको पता चलेगा क्या brand है वो and what they are famous for in the recliners.
Okay.
Okay. And back. It's a very smooth thing. 80 years से लेके 10 years का बच्चा से लेके 80 years का gentleman can easily do it, ma'am. Okay.
Very well.
And
very
in this
well
we have
said.
given a pillow type. So how much you like, you can just keep it like this. And watch. If you want more to go back, look at this.
I think आपके जो handles में काफी spacious. I would say there's a lot of space onto the handle
exactly,
as well.
ma'am. And you can easily close it. Same recliner इधर आएंगे, इधर दो आएंगे.
So basically 4 recliners आप दे रहे हो.
4 recliner.
Which is
एक
amazing.
recliner का प्राइस होता है 22,000 रुपीस, मैम. So 4 recliners का प्राइस हो जाएगा 88,000 रुपीस.
Correct.
प्लस एक सीट का एक 8,000 रुपए डाल लेंगे आप तो 88 94 हो जाएगा. 88 not 96 हो जाएगा. Okay. But we are giving this sofa for 90,000 rupees with all 4 recliners. But there is a catch over here.
Tell me please. We're all waiting for the
yes,
catch.
Yes, ma'am. The price.
We love the catch here.
The price. The pricing of this sofa. थोड़ा premium fabric है. When customers come, they will love it. We will give it only for 79,000 rupees.
79,000 rupees for this beautiful 5-seater 4 recliner sofa, guys.
Exactly, ma'am.
With an amazing and a very chic color, I would say.
Yes, ma'am.
And यहाँ का भी आप लोग देख सकते हैं cushiony, soft cushiony, wide hand. What would you say? Wide hand cushion.
Yes, ma'am. और ये cushion sag नहीं होगा. For example, if I'm sitting on this like this.
Okay.
अगर मैं बैठ रहा हूँ तो आप 1 घंटा 2 घंटा बैठे आपको कुछ नहीं होगा. अगर ये ऐसा डाउन जाता है,
जी.
You just need to pull it like this. Do it like this.
Ah.
All the wires will come back. It will be like the
lovely,
for this also I will do it. I'll show you.
Lovely. That's
it
really
comes
nice.
back to its shape. अगर 10 साल के बाद भी आप करिए ऐसा ही रहेगा.
Amazing. So guys, he gives you the best guarantee, best fabric, best colors, whatever you want, customize करवा के देते हैं. अगर आपको नाम लिखाना है तो भी आप लिखवा सकते हो.
Yes, ma'am.
And Alhamdulillah, I would want to say there's a lot of crowd that's coming in, going in, booking, everything's happening. बस एक बार आप लोग आकर के visit
Kindly show it
कीजिए.
around, ma'am.
You will, sorry.
Show it around once.
Yes, please. आप लोग एक झलक ले सकते हैं because I don't want to give in more details about it because a lot of people are here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So आप लोग देखिएगा, this is Hilton Furniture Yelahanka and this is how the crowd pulls in here.
Yes,
because of
ma'am.
the quality and the the kind of collections that they have.
Exactly,
And
ma'am.
this time again impressed with the kind of new collection that you brought in.
Exactly. Every week we put a new sofa.
Okay.
In every month we put 4 sofas. In that 2 sofas will get hit. All the remaining 2 sofas will remove it.
Okay.
Like that we deal it, ma'am.
All right.
At the last 1 minute we'll show the cots and we'll close the video. Sir. So the last thing, ma'am, for the cots, I'll not take the video full lengthy. You will get hydraulic cots, without hydraulic cots, queen size, king size. आपको जैसा चाहिए वैसा मिल जाएगा. I'll just show you. See, we have hydraulic cots like this. You get ample life of storage of 500 liters. Okay, easy to close. For ladies के लिए बहुत अच्छा काम का रहेगा. नहीं आपको ऐसा नॉर्मल में नीचे थोड़ा upholstered थोड़ा और अच्छा चाहिए.
Pricing क्या start होगा?
20,000 से विदाउट स्टोरेज स्टार्ट होगा क्वीन साइज है.
Okay.
किंग साइज आके उसके प्राइसिंग के साथ तो जाता
काफी
रहेगा.
amazing storage
Yes,
है and
ma'am.
this is a hydraulic one so you don't have to worry
Yes,
about
ma'am.
it.
And I'll ask the cameraman to show over there the chocolate cot. This is our famous cot. In every week we sell 10 to 15
Oh,
cots.
it's like that bubble silk
yes,
chocolate
ma'am.
wala
Exactly.
design.
And here we have our Bahubali cot.
Okay, what is it about?
In that, let the customers come. We have inside the chester work which you're seeing.
Okay.
In that we have storage, ma'am.
Oh.
हाँ, तो आपका medicine.
Storage पीछे.
Yes, ma'am. तो आपका
Lovely.
medicine, phone. अंदर भी storage है 25 लीटर का. If you have black one, you can easily keep it there.
Please. Go on.
I'll just show you. See, ma'am, the storage over here.
Wow.
It comes like this. Inside also you get storage.
राइट,
इसमें आप-
ओके 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 ओके,
That's the
अंदर
reason-
से भी स्टोरेज है,
Yeah,
ऊपर से भी स्टोरेज है।
So if the ladies are watching, if you are taking money from your husband's pocket and he doesn't wants to know, you can easily clip it over here.
एब्सोल्युटली रख लो गाइस, ले लो अभी, मांग के ले लो, चाहे ऐसे ही ले लो, जो भी
Yes,
ले लो,
ma'am.
बट रखना
और ये हिडन है, किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा इधर स्टोरेज है करके।
Right.
यस मैम।
बट दिलाने वाला वो कॉर्ड भी आपका हस्बैंड ही है, थोड़ा देख के। ऑलराइट, थैंक यू। ऑलराइट
you,
सो गाइस,
ma'am.
ये था हमारा आज का वीडियो। हम लोग आए थे हिल्टन फर्नीचर यालहंका,
Yes.
जहाँ पे आपकी ड्रीम सोफास बनते हैं।
Exactly.
अगर आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे इन शॉर्ट, वेरी शॉर्ट, आपके स्टोर के बारे में, वेरी लिटिल, व्हाट आर द ऑफर्स?
यस मैम, लोकेशन तो आपने बता दिया। फॉर ऑल द सोफा वील गिव यू अ डबल एक्सेल बीन बैग, उसमें 100 किलो का आदमी आराम से बैठ सकता है। 200 किलोमीटर फ्री डिलीवरी। एंड द सेकेंड पार्ट इज, इधर जो आप सोफा ले रहे हैं, इधर के सोफे आपको फिनिशिंग मिलेंगे। यू गेट फ्रॉम अ ब्रांड कॉल्ड कर्लॉन। सबको पता है कर्लॉन क्या है करके। एंड यू गेट ऑन टाइम डिलीवरी and you get on time service.
Right.
As a brand, within 48 hours to 36 hours we will give the service. You can check out our reviews,
Right.
how our reviews are. From 25 years we are maintaining the store,
The trust
and you can
as well.
check the reviews from past 10 years.
Absolutely.
Yes
The
ma'am.
reason why we're continuously collaborating with them, the reason being is just because they deliver trust के साथ वो बहुत ही amazing quality
Exactly,
service देते हैं। Sofas are just amazing, comfort level,
Yes.
even the quality is amazing.
Total different sofas रहेंगे from the market. As I said earlier, you get different sofa,
Right.
different comforts, everything different.
जी.
Sofa copy हो सकता है, but not the structure, the
Right.
comfort which we give. Because of the brand, we have hundreds of architects who design a sofa
Right.
to put it all over India in the
Right.
Kolon stores.
Yeah, like I said, the intricate details, designs, everything is here. So yeah, guys, this was our video today, and the offers were right there. पूरा वीडियो अगर आप लोगों ने देखा है तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल। एंड अगर अभी तक फॉलो नहीं किया तो गो फॉलो मी नाउ ऑन Instagram at Afreen Fatima Official. Thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we hope to see some more designs again and
Sure,
again,
ma'am.
and some more amazing offers.
Sure, ma'am.
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more episodes to come.